Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. This is Lisa coming to you today with a bag reveal and switching of the bags. But first I would like to thank all my new subscribers. Hi, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for everyone who leaves feedback. I appreciate it. So today I want to bring a bag that I talked about yesterday. Yesterday I had a wallet in my East-West shopper, and I talked about this bag saying that it was actually the match to the bag that I purchased around the holidays. So let's get right into it. I just want to do a quick switching of the bags to show the bag of the day that I'm going to be wearing. Although I'm just making a quick run. I'm by myself. I don't have to be around anyone. I'm still practicing social distancing. Today we're having a relative's birthday and I have to go pick up the cake. And we're just a few of us are gonna get together and celebrate their birthday. Unfortunately, with the world events going on, we can't go out to eat or anything like that. So today we're going to recognize their special day. So let's get right into it. So yesterday I did a reveal of my East-West shopper in the color grass, the Derby, from the Derby collection. Today I'm going to switch those items from that bag to this bag here. And this is the Coach Hallie. I'm not sure which Hallie it is because I'm noticing that Coach has quite a few bags with the same names, but they're not quite the same design. Okay, so I saw the tag to this bag that I kept in the pocket. And it says signature SNK MX Hallie. Not sure what that means. Retail value $4.50. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly. Doesn't seem like it's clear. Okay, so this bag I've been carrying all fall. No, not fall. All winter after the holiday, because I got it as a gift. And as soon as I saw it I got it from the outlet. As soon as I saw it, it came in beige, black, I think a light pink, and this is the one I chose immediately. I didn't have to think about it, question it. It's a nice burgundy color. The straps are gold tone, and this gold tone hardware, and the straps is snakeskin, and it has the divided opening. It has two pockets. One is bigger than the other one inside, kind of deep. Then it has a zipper pocket on the other opening here. Snap closure. No feet. A middle zipper compartment that has no pockets inside. This bag can hold quite a bit, however, if you stuff it, it kind of pokes out a little bit too much, and it's not fun to carry as much. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can, starting out with my essentials. I'm going to put my items in this bag from here. Hope everyone's doing well today. It's a little rainy over here. Okay. going to do is I'm going to put my wallet in the middle compartment because it zips. Anything for security. Now here's the wallet I was talking about. This is the wallet I use for miscellaneous items. I just like the wallet. It matches the bag. I couldn't resist it. It was the only one left in the outlet. This is detachable. Yeah, it has the same Coach signature as the bag. Just smaller. Okay, so I will put her right here since it's not a wallet. And I'll put my makeup stuff and little essentials there. My sunglasses in that pocket. My lotion. My hand sanitizer. I don't know if that's gonna fit in there. My meter. My sunglasses. Not sunglasses, my actual regular glasses. And my contact lenses. Let's see. Have my zipper pocket items, which is my pick, my cleaning spray for my glasses. I'm going to put this in the zipper part. Let's see how we're doing so far. See, it's getting kind of full already here. How many more items I got to go? Definitely taking the card today because something might start something today since we're going to celebrate a birthday. I don't know if I need this notepad, but I will put this in here anyway. Okay, I just have some receipts left. And that's it. So I think everything fit. I'm not sure if I'm going to need these gloves. I normally just kind of throw stuff like this, like on top, or put them in my hands or my pockets. I'm going to carry this bandana with me today. Have to be safe. Zip up the middle compartment. Now this bag, have to be careful. When I'm driving, I have drove with this bag open and the seat next to me, and almost everything fell out. So I have to make sure I keep this bag, the snap closure snapped when I'm driving. There it is, my Hallie, and she is 13 across, 6 deep. And about 11 and a half inches high. Now that everything is in here, I'm going to do the strap drop. I've always been curious. It's about a 9.5 on the strap drop. Sits right up under my arm. For the light jacket. I'm trying to think. With my winter coat, I was able to still wear this, even though it's a 9.5 strap drop. I guess because of this, it actually comes down a little bit more when you're carrying it. So there you go. My Coach Hallie, signature Hallie. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Thank you for sharing the switching of the bags with me today. And I hope everyone's safe. Until next time, if you like my video, hit the like button. If you like to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification for when I upload a new video. And again, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and sharing my little eye candy with me. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Till next time.